Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can remove custom header and footer in your Microsoft Word document. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So just simply open your document, Microsoft Word document, and I have this one right here. And as you can see, I have this custom header, which is this gumamela flower, and the custom footer, which is also this image of a gumamela flower. So how can we remove this custom border or a custom header and footer? Okay, it's not border, it's header and footer. So how can we remove the custom header and footer? So if you have other or different custom header and footer, like an image of something or anything on your header and footer, all you have to do is double click right here on this blinking line, double click. Okay, and then you will find this lines, which is the header and the footer. So in order to remove it, just simply click on the image and then click the backspace key or delete key on keyboard. Also for the footer, backspace key or delete key. And that's it. And then double click on the open space. And now the custom header and footer has been removed. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.